Uh, Hello everyone. This is group 5, and now I'm hearing the questions concerning technology by Martin Heidegger. Who is Martin Heidegger? Born in Maastricht, Germany on September 26, 1889. A German philosopher, his famous works are associated with phenomenal- phenomenology and existentialism. His philosophical development started by reading Quintana and Aristotle's metaphysics, and first major thesis being in time. Heidegger is known for his interest in mythology, for the study of being, and in Martin Heidegger's theory, the correspondence of truth exists because there is primordial phenomenon of truth in Heidegger 1992. And also Martin Heidegger, best biography is between good and evil. Technology. Technology is not equivalent to the essence of technological. And technology is a mode of revealing, and therefore no mere means. Just like years, it evolves from time to time, and it's not equivalent to the essence of technology. Technology can therefore to be called instrumental and anthropological definition of technology. Technology is a mode of revealing. Technology comes to presence, the realm where revealing and concealment take place. Where ultimate truth happens, can therefore be called instrument and anthropological definition of technology. It has development, progress, just like years, it evolves from time to time. This gave an importance for people in the daily activities, just like phones, laptops, computers, AI advancement, and etc. But one thing remains true. Modern technology too is a means to achieve a goal. That is why the instrumental idea of technology presupposes an endeavor to bring man into proper relationship with technology, get technology spiritually in hand, or master it. If this desires, essential is to say, get technology spiritually in hand, and master it. And this desire grows more urgent as technology pretends to elude human control. In order to be correct, this fixing by no means needs to uncover the thing it questions in its essence. The current conception of technology, according to which it means in human activity, can therefore to be called the instrumental and anthropological definition of technology. Next, the essence of technology is by no means anything technological. Basics, sensing, concealing, revealing, and controlling. The essence of technology is by no means anything technological. Thus, we shall never experience our relationship with the essence of technology so long as we merely conceive and push forward with the technological, put up with it, or evade it. Physics. Physics as physics can make no assertions about physics. Sensing and revealing speaks almost simultaneously of a moving presence or unconcealment in and one toward that movement take place. Concealing and withdrawal tell a movement away of the mind of one who's being deprived of that which might be present or revealed. For Senior's philosophy. First is materials. The material that matter out of which, for example, a superchalice is made. Two is a causa formalis, the form, the shape into which the material enters. And three, causa finalis, the end, for example, the sacrificial rite in relation to which the chalice required is determined as to its form and matter. And last is a causa efficiens, which brings about the effect that is the finished actual chalice, in this instance the silver. Um, what the cause really mean? The causa efficiens is but one among the four causes sets the standard for all causality. This goes so far that we no longer even count the causa finalis, semifinality, as causality. Causa causus belongs to the verb causa, to fall. It means that which brings about to something falls as a result in such and such a way. The four ways of being responsible for bringing something into appearance. The principal characteristic of being responsible is starting something on its way into arrival. It is in the sense of such as starting something on its way into arrival that being responsible is an occasioning or an inducing to go forward. The next is the nature. Reality is a nature which is represented as a manifold of cause and effect coherences. And 50 represented nature becomes amenable to experiment. But this does not happen simply because nature is physically reason for this character. Rather, it happens Heidegger adheres specifically because man himself represents nature as a character and then graphs and investigates it according to the methods that not surprisingly perfectly in the reality is conceived. Next is the complex of life. Are oriented with reference to the conditions of preserving and stabilizing, and indeed in such a way that what is stable stands for us, stands fast only in order to become in enhancement what is unstable. The duration of these complex forms of life depends on the reciprocal relationships of enhancement and preservation. Hence, duration is something comparative. It's always the relative duration of what is alive, life of life. The will to power is a fundamental term of the fully developed philosophy of Nietzsche. Will to power. The will to power is thus the fundamental characteristic of life, which were Nietzsche's often used also in the broad sense, according to which in metaphysics it has been equated to become. The age of the world picture. They have metaphysical ground and modern science age. The age of the age of the world picture. The metaphysical ground in modern science is part of the context of questions concerning technology. What is metaphysical ground? It is an idea, either doctrine that relies with the human inner sense of perception. Modern science, on the other hand, is a study in which specifies the building of knowledge of an individual about the world. Essence of truth. In Heidegger's philosophy, he said that the difference between truth as the unhidden of beings and truth as the correctness of positions, which means that truth is based on how we recognize a being or the truth as unhardiness or disclosure, which is the Greek word halideia. The specific comprehension of truth is where we deeply understand and context or the essence of the truth. Is as noun the word as we said. Humanity conceived in consume and consummatory as culture. Humanity conceived and consummated as culture. Humanity as means to us unconsciously is conceived as we exist. Conceive means to create or have a child, and consummated means to get married. Conceived and consummated as culture, the humanity simply signifies the role of every person believing that we must have a child, get married, and to create another one. What understanding of what is truth provides, and the basis of our that essence. What understanding of what is and truth provides the basis for that essence. Everyone which metaphysical ground, which is the main context of questions concerning technology and other provides for foundation sa science as modern phenomenon, which might let the metaphysical ground apprehend or become aware of out of the ground. Science, different from doctrine and science, Middle Ages in Greek, esteem, science that now should not be compared based on its progress to people and effects in the environment. Motion means change of place. Explanation is threefold, which means the context of explanation is much hypothetical and specific, experimental, or the ability to make a trial experiment or something. Highest knowledge, teacher, theology. Highest knowledge, teacher, theology, or the study of God. This just means that the mere presence of theology made has been knowledgeable more than any other thing. The sequences of the revolution at hand introduce subjectivism and individualism. What is world picture? This is all about the view or perspective from us of the conception of world. In the world picture, we tend to see the realism, what we think, what we tend to think. It is our ability to indulge the seeing of being that might show as a realistic advantage of what we intend to. Last, what is a world picture? This is all about the view or the perspective of us a conception of world. And the world picture we tend to see the realism of what we think, what we tend to think. It's our ability to indulge the seeing of being that might show as a realistic advantage of what we intend to. And that's all for this reading. This is the terms and definitions.